In this video series, we're going to open up the SparkBlocks Intro to Circuits kit and show you how to assemble all 6 of the intro builds. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The manual shows you how each piece works, there's step-by-step photo instructions for each of the builds, and of course we've got stickers and all of the pieces in our kit. And don't forget to charge the battery with this USB-C cable before each of your builds. Here we go! In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make the merry-go-round from the SparkBlocks Intro to Circuits kit. These instructions have actually been updated in the latest version of the manual, so it might look different for you. In the new version of the manual, we're going to use one of the long silver blocks, placing the black bridges across the block and the motor on top to give it a bit more support. All right, now we're going to build the base for the motor, taking the different wires, attaching them to the long red block, and starting to build our circuits. Placing the motor right on top of all that we've just built, attaching the black bridges to that red base, and making sure that the gold studs are attached to our wires correctly. All right, that part's done. We can set that aside for a moment. Picking up the battery, making sure that the positive end is on the far side, same with the potentiometer, and attaching it to that motor base that we've just built. And this piece goes on top of the motor here. Sometimes I leave this to the end, but we can just slide that right on top, get it nice and secure, nice and flush. And now we're going to build the base for the top component of the merry-go-round using the long silver block and the red 4. Now this one doesn't matter which way you put it because it's not going to be part of a circuit. The LEDs are just for looks. Of course, if you have multiple intro kits, you could make a circuit up top and make it light up. Show us if you do that. We would love to see. Just building the chairs now, and the seats for the top of the merry-go-round. Assembling like so. You can get creative, build whatever you want up here. Maybe you have little Lego characters you want to place on the chairs. Almost done. And using that red 4 block, we're going to just slot the motor right on into the base, right in the middle, and we can turn it on using the button. You can change the speed using the potentiometer dial, make it go faster or slower. Woohoo! The merry-go-round, in my opinion, is one of the hardest builds from the intro kit. How did you find it? Did you create anything new or different?